The Council has gone too far. Has the evil of Shao Kahn grown so strong that even the Council now bows like dogs before him? Cease this crime against Earthrealm. That any being could replace the God of Thunder is folly to begin with. But to suggest Shao Kahn as the Council's representative is sheer insanity, born of darkness and wrought of vile manipulation. If the Council insists on proposing Shao Kahn as Elder God, then I, Lord Raiden, vow that the day Shao Kahn becomes a Council member is the day that I declare war on the Council.